Supporters and opponents of a woman's right to abortion have been protesting in recent weeks. As the U.S. Supreme Court reviews a pivotal court case that has allowed women access to abortions for the last 50 years.
If the court gets rid of the viability line, there will be no stopping point, and states will rush in to try and ban abortion at virtually any point in pregnancy. And we may well see 20 states or more doing that, meaning that hundreds of thousands of women won't be able to make this decision for themselves.
Dozens of women's health and rights groups issued a report calling on the state of California to step in.
That we're a reproductive freedom state, meaning that here in California, people can get access to abortion care no matter what their zip code is and no matter where they call home, that if you're in California, you can receive access to care.
A report published by a pro-choice research organization earlier this year predicted that as many as 1.4 million women may drive into California for abortion services if neighboring states outlaw or severely limit access to the procedure. That estimate doesn't include women who might fly to the West Coast for abortions. The California Future of Abortion Council, made up of more than 40 abortion providers and advocacy groups, released a list of 45 recommendations for California, including a call for the state to fund programs to train additional abortion providers and legal protections for women from states where abortion becomes illegal.
But it's also important to note that these kind of barriers to care always disproportionately affect people of color, people with low incomes. And so we're really, looking at people that can access travel outside of the state that they live in. And so I think what keeps us all up at night is if we don't see an influx of patients, and that means that people aren't able to travel to receive the care that they so desperately will need.
California is holding on to an estimated $31 billion budget surplus from this year, and its governor and top Democratic lawmakers appear committed to expanding women's health services for out-of-state patients who might need it in the near future. It is Tianshan, CGTN, Los Angeles.